Hi everybody, I'm back with another Money Saver. This is a new collection we just got in. Paulette just handed this to me. It's from our friends at Crafters Companion. This is the Spectrum Noir, everything you need to get creative with color. This is the Creative Collection. This is fantastic. This is filled with all kinds of crafty pens and coloring. It makes the perfect Christmas present. Let me flip this over so you can see what's in here. You get classic Spectrum Noir markers. Let's zoom in a little bit on this, Steve. Classic Spectrum Noir markers, the alcohol pens. You also get the Aqua Spectrum Noir. Those are the watercolor pens. Then the metallic pens. You also get the crystal clear pens. Then you get the glitter pens, and of course the art liner pens. And then you also get art that goes along with it. So let's take a peek in here. This has 57 pieces. Let's open this up. What a spectacular Christmas gift this would make. Here you have the aqua pens in this rainbow of color and the classic double tipped. They're both double tipped with the chisel and the fine point. This is the classic pen. Then you've got, this is the glitter pens and the metallic pens, and then the art liners. And then, oh, don't forget the clear, the silver, and the gold brush glitter pens. And then you open it up and you get this fantastic like how-to guide about, tells you about all the markers. Then you get 14 pieces of beautiful art. This one has beautiful gold. And then over here, this one has like pearlescent on it. Look at that, just gorgeous. I just want to color these. And then the black as well, which works so great with the metallic markers. This is a fantastic collection. We have a special Money Saver price on them. We have a limited quantity, so jump on this fast, you guys. If you know somebody who would love something spectacular like this for Christmas, I sure would. And in fact, we probably have one less in inventory because I want one of these. Now we also have another bonus for ordering this, you guys. We're gonna throw in some great little books here. This is for colorists. This is Awesome Blossoms and Christmas Greetings, so they can even get this early. You can do some Christmas cards. These are meant for people who love to sit and color. That's us, you guys. So these are bonuses, okay? So jump on this right away. Don't wait. We have a special Money Saver on this, so definitely check that out. I'll see you later. Bye, you guys.